In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Upwork account. Whether you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, these steps will guide you through the process and get you back on track with ease. Let's start by navigating to the Upwork website. Open your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com in the address bar. Once you've reached the homepage, your next step is to click on the Login button, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you can begin the recovery process. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to type in the email address associated with your Upwork account in the provided field. This step is crucial as it identifies your account and prepares it for password recovery. After entering your email address, click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, if you can't remember your password, don't worry. You'll find a Forgot Password option right below the password entry field. Go ahead and click on that link, and Upwork will guide you through the process of password recovery. This will prompt the website to send you an email with further instructions on how to reset your password. Upon completing these steps, head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Upwork. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got filtered there. Clicking on the password reset link will direct you to a web page where you can create a new password for your account. Remember to choose a strong password that you'll remember but is also difficult for others to guess. After successfully resetting your password, you'll want to return to the login page to test your new credentials. You can do this by clicking on the Return to Login button, which is often provided after the password reset is complete. Once back on the login page, simply enter your newly created password along with your email address to log back into your Upwork account. Congratulations! You've now successfully recovered your Upwork account and can continue using the platform without a hitch. As a quick tip, consider saving your new password in a secure password manager for easy access in the future. This will not only enhance your security, but also save you from potential issues with forgotten passwords. And that's it for today's tutorial on recovering your Upwork account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it ensured a smooth experience in getting back on track with your work on Upwork. Thank you for watching, and happy freelancing.